Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to go through and fix up this issue that we've had in the last few videos wherever we've created a page, a landing page or the web pages. If you remember, we've got this landing page from an earlier video or the web page here. We have this issue here where the domain isn't connected to HubSpot because we're publishing this on our socialmostly.com domain. So we need to connect it up. So I'm going to show you how to do that in this. And so to start, we go into the settings and we go under domain and URLs. So the link goes straight there. But if you do need to go to this section, you hit the settings button just here, and then you can go down on the left, down to website and domains and URLs. And then we can see this warning we've got here. So we've set up, we need to continue setting that up. And we can see we've set up this sort of, at least at HubSpot side, we've got the site.socialmostly.com, but we haven't told HubSpot, or we haven't set up the details to give HubSpot permission so it knows that we own this socialmostly.com domain. So we click continue here. And here we have the instructions for how do we sort of connect up or fix up this DNS. So basically we've got to find the DNS record here, and we've got to add in the CNAME record. So what you need to do, this may be a bit tricky if you haven't been part of the process to set up your account, your domain, your website. So you either let your developer know this, or you can go into your cPanel for your website. So I've got my cPanel open up here. This is for socialmostly.com. And here is where you sort of put in additional information for your domain. So some extra details about what should happen when someone clicks on this address or clicks on this subdomain or any other sorts of details. And so if we go back to HubSpot, we can see that we need to grab this site and we need to copy this required data for the CNAME. So let's copy the host. It's going to be site. So here in the zone records, we're going to add a new record, and we've got to make sure it's a CNAME record. Type in site, copy this required data, paste it here, and save record. And now we can go back and test it out in HubSpot, but it usually can take an hour, can take 24 hours. So we'll start this process now and we'll see. Okay, yeah, so it's gonna do some searching or waiting for the next 60 minutes. And let's hope that the record gets updated. So we'll come back to this and we'll see what happens at the end of it. Okay, so after about 20 minutes of waiting, it's connected up, which is great. And so this is the screen. Let's click done and let's test it all out. So we can see that it looks like it's connected. Now you can see these pages are connected. This is what we've got for the landing page. Let me just refresh. There we go. So now we can update, and then let's have a look on the site. So we can see here we've got the domain, site socialmostly.com, and now we have our landing page. And we can go in here and we can edit the page directly in HubSpot like that. So this is an actual page that's available, visible to everyone. And let's click publish, and we can click and view. We've got our website. Connect, contact us. Great. Now the contact us works. You can see the contact us goes to this anchor hash here, and we've got our website, and this is launched. So that process really, I mean, apart from the waiting for the DNS to update, the overall process to sort of set up and connect up these websites, it just takes a couple of minutes. So I hope you'll be able to get a chance to try this out. And you can see here that this is still using the free HubSpot account, and we're able to do this. And so I haven't even upgraded this Social Mostly account to the starter or to any other paid tier in HubSpot. So this is a really cool functionality. The only downside, I think, the main downside is this little button down here, which you can see. So, that's obviously not great to have in the long term, but I think it's all right to have it while you're testing out an idea or a product. Cool. So give that a shot. Let me know what you think. Feel free to share any comments or questions down below. And if this video has been useful for you, feel free to like it, share it. And if you want to see more content like this in the future, please feel free to subscribe. Okay. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.